books properly, completing your books, doing the homeworks yourself, and when I call you for sending me the notes, please send your notes through WhatsApp. So study properly, understand the things properly, because we have having to study, or we are focusing more on 10th standard, where we are using the 9th standard is coming as the base of 10th standard. So certain portions is continuation of 9th standard itself. We are studying in 10th. So study seriously, study properly. Okay. So we'll start today's section. So sit properly. We'll begin our section. We are not having much more to study in this chapter. We have only one topic, that is Heron's formula. And we have seen some problems in the previous sessions, where we are using Heron's formula to find the area of triangle. And in this chapter we have only two sections. One is finding the area of a triangle using Heron's formula, first section, and the second part is application of Heron's formula, that is finding the area of a quadrilateral using Heron's formula. So now we are going to start our next session, that is the last section of this chapter. What is it? That is application of Heron's formula in finding the areas of quadrilaterals. Clear? So we are going to use Heron's formula to find the area of quadrilaterals. We will see how to find it. We know that when we take a quadrilateral, if we join this diagonal, or not diagonal, if we join the opposite vertices, see, it's divided into two triangles. Clear? So here, to find the area of this quadrilateral, you can find the area of this triangle, and you can find the area of the next triangle. You can add both to get the area of the quadrilateral. Clear? That's how we are going to do the problems here. That is application of Heron's formula in finding the areas of quadrilaterals. We can divide the quadrilaterals joining the opposite vertices. Clear? Is it clear? So we'll go to the question. We are not having more to explain this part. Only the problems are there. We'll see different types of problems in this section. So among that, we'll go to the first question. What is the question? A park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. There is a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. Has angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter, and AB is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Which means we have to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. Clear? For that, first I am going to draw the quadrilateral ABCD and representing all the measurements in that, so that I can understand what is given and what we have to, or again what we have to do to find the next one, or area. Clear? So first draw the quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, since C is given as 90 degree, and take it as perpendicular, C, D. Then we will see what is given in the question. Angle C is equal to 90 degrees, so which this angle is right angle triangle. Now AB is equal to 9 meter, so this is equal to 9 meter. Then CD is equal to 5 meter, so CD is equal to 5 meter. Clear? Then AD is equal to 8 meter. AD is equal to 8 meter. Clear? Sorry, AD is equal to 8 meter. AD is equal to 8 meter. And BC is not given. BC is equal to 12 meter. Clear? So what is given? Angle C is equal to 90 degree. AD 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. We have to find the area. I told you to find the area of this quadrilateral, you can divide it into two triangles, isn't it? Clear? So for my convenience or to use, make it easy to find the area of this triangle, to reduce the time, what I am going to do is that I am going to join this BD. Why I join so? Because I get here this as a right angle triangle where I can use the formula of base into height to find the area of this right angle triangle. Understood? So clear? I can find the area of BCD. Since this height is given to us, I can find the area of BCD using the formula of base into height because it is a right angle triangle. So I will join this BD. Clear to you? Okay. So how can we write here? Area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to, what is it? Area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So this BCD is a right angle triangle. So first I am going to find its area. So directly I find area of triangle BCD first. This is equal to. So I can write as, since this is a right angle triangle, I can use the formula of base into height. Clear? So this is equal to half base is equal to, it is CD into height. Height is BC, that is a perpendicular distance. So I get half into CD is 5 into BC is 12, which means I can cancel here. 1 times it is 6. I get 30. 30, what is the unit here? Meter, isn't it? 30 meters square. So I got area of one triangle. Since it was a right angle triangle, I directly used the formula of base into height. Clear? So here I got area of triangle ABCD. No, BCD is equal to 30 centimeter square. Okay, so one part is over. Next, what I have to do? I have to find the area of triangle ABD. So which is this area of triangle ABD? This is our triangle ABD. Since it is not a right angle triangle, since it is not an isosceles triangle, or it is not an equilateral triangle, we have to use which formula to find here? Heron's formula. So for that, it's given as 9 meter, 8 meter, but we know to use Heron's formula, we have to get all the 3 sides. But we have only 2 sides here, which means you have to get this side BD. How can you get the side BD? How can you get the side BD? This BD is the side of this right angle triangle, is it? So you can use the Pythagoras theorem to get the BD in this triangle, in the right triangle BCD. Clear? So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write BD square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to CD square plus BC square. Clear? What is CD square? CD square is, how much is 5 square plus BC square is 12 square. 5 square is 25 and 12 square it is 144. So we get it as 169. BD square is equal to 169, which means BD is equal to root 169. What is root 169? It is 13. This unit is 13 meter. So you got the side. Using Pythagoras theorem, we got the side. It is 13 meter. Clear? Now we got 3 sides here to find the area of this triangle. What is it? ABD. We got area of triangle BCD. We have to get the area of triangle ABD. So now we know all the 3 sides. can use Heron's formula. So we'll go for using Heron's formula. We have to find the area of this triangle ABB. Area of triangle ABB is equal to, you can use Heron's formula, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. I can take A, B and C as this measurements. So first we have to find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C. So which are the measurements here? 9 plus 8 plus 13 divided by 2. Clear? 9 plus 8 is, how much it is? 9 plus 8, it is 17. 17 plus 13. So 17 plus 10 is 27 plus 3, 30. So it is 30 divided by 2. So S is equal to 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 meter. Clear? Now we have to find, you have to find the area of triangle ABD. So area is equal to, what is it? S is 15. 15 into 15 minus A. Anything will take A as 9. 15 minus 9. Then 15 minus, next measurement is 8. Next 15 minus, it is 13. Next measurement is 13. Clear now? So we get here area is equal to root of, it is 15 into 15 minus 9 is, how much it is? 6. Then 15 minus 8. How much it is? 15 minus 8. It is 7. Isn't it? Next, it is 15 minus 13. How much it is? It is 2. So what you get here? Area of triangle ABD is equal to root of 15. Again we can factorize as 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 into 6 is 2 into 3. Now 7, this one cannot factorize into 2. So again, next I am going to take all the two terms first together. So I get 1, 2, then 1 more 2 I have. So this 2 I have taken. Again 3. We have 2, 3, 1, 3, and next 3. Next I have, so 3 I have taken. 2 also. Then what is there? 5 into 7. So 2 is having pair, 3 is also having pair, but 5 and 7 does not have any pair. Which means I'll get it as 1 coming out of the root into 2. Again 3 coming out of the root because it is having a pair. So again 3 came out of the root. Now this 2 does not have pair, so it will remain beside the root, multiply 5 into 7, 35. So I get here it is 6 root 35. Area of triangle ABD we are getting as 6 root 35. That is meter. Is it centimeter? Not centimeter. No, it is meter square. Sorry, it was meter square. Okay. Clear? Now what we have to find? Area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So add both. Area of quadrilateral ABCD, that's equal to area of triangle ABD. What we get it? It is 6 root 35. See, keep in mind unit uses meter, okay, not centimeter. So 6 root 35 plus next area of BCD. BCD is 30, isn't it? This much meter square. So we have studied last time root 35. You know how to find the root using division method. 35 is approximately equal to root 36, isn't it? So the value of 35 you have studied it last time using what? Using division, how to find the root of a number. So using that you can find and get as it is 6 into root 35 is 5.9. Clear? So that plus 30. Clear? Now we have to multiply. So 5.966 are. So you get just 54. Then 5 balance. Now 6 5s are 30. 30 you will get it as 35 point. So total you get as 35.4. That is 6 9s are 54. 5 balance. 6 5s are 30 plus 5. That is 35. So 35.4 plus what is there? 30. That means meter square. Meter square. So you get here the answer is equal to 35 plus 4.30. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, what is the answer? 35.4 plus 30 is 65.4. 65.4 meter square. This is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. I think it is clear. So what we have done here, we have first divided the quadrilateral into two triangles. Here one of the triangles is a right angle triangle, so you can find the area using half base into height. So I got the answer as 30 meter square. Clear? So area of this triangle I got it as 30 meter square. The next one we have to find the area of the next triangle, that is ABD. To find the area of the triangle ABD, this side was unknown to us. We found the length of the side using Pythagoras theorem and we got it as 13. Why we were able to use Pythagoras theorem? Because the side is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So we found here 13. Then after finding the three sides, we found the area of triangle ABD using Heron's formula. So we got the area of ABD as, what you get here? It is 6 root 35. Now get the area of quadrilateral ABC, add both, that is 30 meter square plus 6 root 35 meter square. We are getting the answer as 65.4 meter square. I think it is clear. So only that much we have in this section. Only one problem I gave you. Go through the problem. If you have it out, you can call me. No problem. But I think it is easy if you study it, or if you understand the problem, it is easy for you. Clear? Nothing new we are studying. Only Heron's formula we are using here. So study properly. Okay. And I will give the notes in this section. And homework also I am giving you. You have to do it. Do properly. Study properly. Okay. Thank you. Notes of today's section. Application of Heron's formula in finding the area of quadrilaterals. Among that, only one question you will have. A park is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD, has angle C equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, and BC is equal to 12 meter, and CD is equal to 5 meter, and AD is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So we are using Heron's formula to find the area of the quadrilateral. So the explanation I have given in the section. Find the area of both the triangles, then add them to get the total area. Finally, we get area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 65.4 meters square. It's approximate value. That's why I not put equal to sign. Approximate sign is used there. Notes you have only that much, and you'll get the homework of today. Take page number 206, exercise 12.2. Homework is question number 2. Question number 2 you can do it as homework.